Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have a bunch of Squish Delish. It's series 5 and it's from Jax. So let's get started. They are Slow Rise Squeeze Mini. And in the back of the bag, you can see right here, there's some holes and they're scented. They smell really good. And I got these at Target. All right, let's go. Wow, how cute. Not as slow raising as I thought I was gonna be. Cute, I love the mouth. All right. Get started on the next one. Oh, it's a little koala. Oh, that one's better. That one is slow raising. I don't know if you can see his little itty bitty mouth there. Got a little tail. I don't know these guys' names. I could not find them. So if you guys know what they are, comment down below. It's like a little boom box. That is not slow rising. It's coming right up. It must have an air bubble. It's all wrinkly. It's like a little science experiment. That one's a little slow rising. It's like their mouths are all the same. just different in their eyes as well. I think that, yeah, this one's the one with the most. Slow raising. This one is the most slow raising. And then the least is this little boombox speaker thing. So if you guys know what their names are, let me know. And then here's the last one. Feels slow rising. You can also see the colors in there. Oh, it's a pencil. How adorable is that? Oh, slow rising, yes. Love it. I like the silver. Let's see which one is more. Oh, maybe the koala. I think the koala is still. Yeah. It might be the same. A little bit of the koala, I think. Yeah, the koala is slower. So we got a boombox, a koala. I don't know what this thing is. If you guys know, comment down below what it is. We got the scientist experiment and the pencil. All right, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.